This fishing lure has a spinner plate on it. It's made out of metal. This is what they call a vibration blade or VIB blade, VIB. They come in a pack of 5. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. Each comes in their own plastic bag and you get a carrying case. The point is this little part will rotate and that will send out vibrations as well as cast the light in a sparkly fashion. You will get more hits from small fish and that's ideal. Also, the dense metal, that really helps with this process. The multicolored paint and the realistic 3D rounded eyes, that mimics what a minnow looks like and gives you maximum visibility even in muddy and low light conditions. These work year-round in all types of conditions and all types of fishing, including ice fishing. When you're fishing, you want to give yourself every opportunity and maximize everything you can in order to get the fish to take a bite. And these lures, they are perfectly set up to give you that advantage, in my opinion.